creator of the whole universe and the creator of our this small peanut-like Earth planet. We are so privileged that today we all have gathered over here on a very, very special occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti. Let us clap for our Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who wrote the Constitution of India. A great personality. We know that God has given me the opportunity to travel to more than 120 countries. In many countries, the Constitution of India, the written Constitution, is there, that too by our Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. So our gratitude to the founder, the chairman of our Constitution of India, which is one of the biggest democratic country in the whole world. We express our gratitude and thanks to Bhimrao Ambedkar ji and his entire team during the first 2 to 3 years after our independence, which our Mahatma Gandhi, as a father of our nation, brought the independence to our great country, India. Also today is a very good occasion that one of our old student, very young student, Dr. Haridharan Garu, very new and young student who received our doctorate some 2 or 3 years back. 2 years back, and we cannot forget that occasion when he had come for receiving the doctorate. The whole of city was under flood. It was full of flood was there. People were unable to walk, unable to, we had, I think, I myself had to walk up to this much of water. This much of water was there. But a dynamic young boy, Dr. Haridharan Garu, he received the doctorate in that particular time of the flood area. I am also thankful to my sister, Dr. Usha Kiran, though she is a very high officer in the government of India, but she is also our official ambassador of our groups of universities in India. She is representing our university in India. Her husband, Brother Jason, is also with us. Brother Jason Roy is also with us. Whole team, whole family is helping us, supporting us, and his son Dr. Samuel is also with us here. I am extremely thankful today that this is my second time coming here in a great city of Nellore. My first time my host was also DR sir. DR, already Dr. DR sir, he was my host. He kept me in his hotel. He has given me all facilities, and this time also he is hosting me here in this university. Let us clap for a great personality, Dr. Vyasa. I am thankful also to the media secretary Garu, who is Jayaprakash, a great name. Jayaprakash, great name. He is with us, sharing our dais, because without media, media is the backbone of our society, and media is the backbone of our country. I cannot forget because my grandfather was a freedom fighter. He was arrested by the British government and he was sent to Kalapani jail, cellular jail in Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Island in the year 1911. So I know the value of freedom because of my grandfather, who was the hardcore freedom fighter of India. I am extremely also thankful today that in the dais, my beloved son, Right Reverend Bishop Garu, Bishop, Samson. He is my son, and for a long time he is associated with us. He has come all the way from Bangalore. He is the chairman of Karnataka Diocese there, and today he is Mr. First. I am really thankful. Thankful also to our Bishop Garu, Bishop Nirmal Kumar. Titus Nirmal Kumar Yesterday we had our fellowship with him in his congregation, and more than all we, those who are standing on the dais, I know we are not the VIPs. I repeat, we are not the VIPs. You all are the VIPs. Because of you all, we are getting this dais. We are only the service provider. We are only providing the service. I know coming all the way from New York City, with so many transit, it's so difficult for me. Traveling for more than 28 hours, and it was difficult for me. But then, because of the love and affection, Dr. Harinarayan Garu, he told I must come over here, and by the grace of God, I have come over here. Today is also the day of all the angels looking people. Those who are in the gown. You all are like angel looking. Let us all clap for these angels looking peace ambassadors. They are the real peace ambassadors. For your information, maybe Dr. Usha Kiran may tell you a little more about that. For your information, we received a high appreciation letter from US President's office, Donald Trump. A great appreciation letter where he has mentioned that because of my contribution this time to our Asian community, those who are the citizens of America, he became the President of United States of America. A great appreciation from Donald Trump which we have received. Sister is having all the details and all the documents. She may be sharing you later. Also, in his appreciation letter, this is for you all, those who are going to receive the certificates today. In that letter of appreciation, one paragraph from the office of Donald Trump, it is mentioned that we appreciate AUGP groups of universities in all 5 continents serving the society, humanity for more than 4 decades. This is the appreciation we received from US President Donald Trump. So you are the privileged batch today. You know, a great responsibility you will be having, because today you are going to receive this thing not only on the recommendation of our sister Dr. C.H. Usha Kiran, but also on the basis of the board regulation passed by the governor of 120 countries. How many countries? 120 countries. Many of you are already international, but more international you are becoming from today onwards. Now by getting the recognition seal by 120 countries. To start, to begin with, I would like to present the first award to none other than my beloved brother, dear sir, for his great contribution, for building up a transformed civilization. I repeat, building up a transformed civilization of peace loving, peace living, and peace practicing. Shall we repeat? Peace practicing. Shall we all repeat? Peace practicing. Many people talk about peace. They want to be in peace, but they don't practice peace. The moment something come, religion come, fight, conflict, road jam, traffic jam, everything happen. The moment community clashes comes, they are on the road, destroying the government property. The peace is not there. Even peace is not in the society sometimes. Dowry system, evil system, the dowry system. Highly educated person will be demanding more dowry from the wife. I'm not going to talk much on that. I'm so glad and so impressed by our young student, Dr. Harinarayan Garu. He has conducted more than 5,000 mass marriages. That is his credential. The moment some 2 years, 3 years back, Sister Usha Kiran Garu, when she has mentioned about that, I told no, he should receive all awards and all recognition. Hats up to you, a noble job which you are doing, the great inspiration. You are a great inspiration for the young leaders, for the youth leaders, and for the coming generation. God bless you all. I take this privilege as the chairman and the chief rector of the American University, along with my ambassador, Her Excellency Ambassador Dr. C.A. Kusakiran Garu, and all our team those who are here. We present this Human Excellence Golden Award upon DR sir. And also the Certificate of Excellence upon him.
Sir, ready, sir? JP sir, JP sir.
Thank you. God bless.
So we love wholeheartedly. Thank you, sir, from our bottom of heart. Your commitment and passion towards the peace loving, peace giving, and peace practicing throughout the world. Here, global leaders of future is there. And it is your humility that you are saying. It is not our power, only you are our power, you are saying.